So let me ask you a question. Every time you want to use your iPhone to take a photograph, do you see this message? So next question, can you see a quality difference between these two photographs? Because if, like me, you can't, then it could be just a case of you've got the wrong format selected on your photographs. So let's go ahead and do something about this. So on your iPhone, go to Settings, then let's navigate down to Camera and select that. And then on the camera menu, we want to be selecting the fourth one down, which will be Formats. And then here we have the two options. You've got high efficiency and you've got most compatible. To reduce the file size, capture photos and videos in the higher efficiency HEIF or HEVC format. And what this means in the real world is by using this format, you'll get better colours, better gradients, and the file size is going to be smaller too. Just exactly how small we'll find out now. So this first picture was taken in the standard format, and if we scroll down and get the information for the file, you can see there it's 3.6 megabytes in terms of size, and the resolution is 3024 by 4032. And then let's scroll over to the HEIF shot and see how that one compares. So once you've changed your settings and taken a photograph in the new format, as you can see here, the megapixels is the same, the resolution is the same, but the file size is considerably less, 2.4 megabytes instead of 3.6. So get that changed over on your phone and hopefully you won't be seeing that error message much longer.